Òwe mi fún àárọ̀ yìí. Bàbá mi ó mọ kàárò jù ìyá mi lọ, kì í ṣètàn rẹ̀. Bàbá mi mọ kàárò jù ìyá mi lọ, kì í ṣètàn rẹ̀. My father knows how to turn amala very well than my mother. It's not a good story. What is the meaning of these proverbs? Some things have a place where you say them. Some things have a time when you express them. Some things have a community and gathering where you say them. Don't go out and mess your mother by saying it there that my father can cook better than my mother. We all know culturally, women are expected to be the better cook. Now, it happens in any families, and we all know that sometimes it happens that the father is a better person at cooking than the woman. However, no matter how good he is, you must not talk in public to downplay your mother. This actually means that sometimes we should know how to cover each other's secret point, weak point. We should know how to protect each other's weakness. Don't go and mess your family up in public, or your friend, or even yourself. Some things are better kept as a personal knowledge and not for public consumption. Bàbá mi mọ kàárò jù ìyá mi lọ, kì í ṣètàn rẹ̀.